is a war to survive. The baddest will stay alive. They blaming the minister and they blaming the school teacher. Shaquille asked his parents for the answer. What is the plan, Mama? What is the plan, Daddy? Tell me, I need an explanation. When a big man put a gun in a little boy hand, can't make guns turn a little boy to a man. What is the plan, Mama? What is the plan, Daddy? Tell me, help me to understand. How can I make a contribution to make my land a safe and better nation? Please answer me, 'cause I need to know. Going against the Creator's will. Giants boss, he said, thou shalt not kill. In my country, them youths having fun. Calling yourself a gangster, selling coke and marijuana. In my country, them youths having fun. You is a shooter, so you's a gun. Drugs, money, and plenty woman. When you're smoking your post, boasting and counting goals. In this chaos and confusion, so complex needed direction. Shaquille asked his parents the same question. What is the plan, Mama? What is the plan, Daddy? Tell me, I need an explanation. When a big man put a gun in a little boy hand, can't make guns turn a little boy to a man. What is the plan, Mama? What is the plan, Daddy? Tell me, help me to understand. How can I make a contribution to make my land a safe and better nation? Start on a solid foundation. Go to school, get an education. In my country, them youths having fun. Do not waste time with your friends and them. When they feel, they blame the system. In my country, them youths having fun. Shaquille, my son, please listen to me. There is space for everybody, but success, you see, do not come easy. Be prepared to work very hard. Them boy and them who playing mad. Firearm can't make them strong. They're foolish and wrong. What is the plan, Mama? What is the plan, Daddy? Tell me, I need an explanation. When a big man put a gun in a little boy hand, can't make guns turn a little boy to a man. What is the plan, Mama? What is the plan, Daddy? Tell me, help me to understand. How can I make a contribution to make my land a safe and better nation?